Game paused.
How do we play this? Fast kill rat, then some echo and pigs. Okay.
Game running.
You can count on us. We're off home.
Your popularity is falling.
Yes, boss.
Weapons needed,
What?
sire.
Yes, boss. Move, you dogs.
So now some echo.
We are under attack.
Yeah. Move.
A message from the rat.
No need to panic, Mattis. No need to panic. Stay calm!
A message from the rat.
Please, 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 don't hurt me, please.
Here we go. Move, you dogs.
Okay, that's one minus.
Wood needed.
Wood needed. Okay, okay.
Attain.
Weapons needed, sire.
Gold needed. Attain. Shot. Gold needed. Where are the mace men? What do you need? Move! Move! Here we go! Move, you
They
dogs!
won't know
what hit them! Move! Move!
are under
They're
attack.
dead! Here we go! Move, you dogs!
I don't get this.
Move! Move! Gold needed. Attain! Shot! Attain! Shot! Need some muscle?
So, need echo.
Not enough goods.
What?
Your popularity is
Yes,
rising.
boss.
Can't place that there, my lord. Can't place that there, my lord. Not enough goods. Not enough goods.
Your Grace.
You do not have enough gold to train this unit.
Yeah. Moving to site. Your Grace. Jump to it.
Not enough goods.
How can we help? Constructing siege equipment. Constructing siege equipment. Constructing siege equipment. Constructing siege equipment.
Not enough goods. We await orders. Weapons needed, sire. Instructions.
Shield ready. That's a fair distance. Shield ready. That's a fair distance. Shield ready. That's a fair distance. Shield ready. That's a fair distance.
We await orders. Moving off. Yes?
Quick march.
Not enough goods.
Your Grace. Where are the mace you need? Manning siege equipment.
We are under attack. Not enough goods. This building has no labor, sire. Archers, ready!
Need some muscle? There, chicken feed.
Not enough goods.
What? Bash 'em, lads! Yes, they won't know what hit them. They're dead. They're chicken feed. Bash 'em, lads! They won't know what hit them. You are the third. They're chicken feed. How do we get them, lads? Here we go. Yeah. They won't know what hit them.
Once more onto
They're
the bridge.
dead. Move, you donks. Move, move. They're chicken feed.
Not enough goods.
Wood needed. Where are the mace men?
Weapons needed. We await orders.
needed,
My
sire.
boy's yours. Not enough goods.
Your Grace. Your Grace. Constructing siege equipment. What do you need?
We are under attack.
Need some muscle. Bash 'em, lads! What? Yes, boss. Here we go! Yeah. Where are the mace men?
Our granary stocks are growing, sire. No change in the treasury, lord. Not enough goods. Not enough work is available to run this building.
What do you need? They won't know what hit them. Need some muscle? They're dead. Chicken feed.
Our food stocks are dwindling. My weapons needed, sire. Weapons needed, sire.
Forward! Shoulder! Hogs! What? Yes, boss. Yes. Bash 'em, lads! Move, you dogs!
Biggest coming down.
They won't know what hit them. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Where are the mace men? They're dead.
Can't place that there, my lord. A peasant is on his way. This building has no labor, sire. This building has no labor, sire.
What do you need?
You are the
A message from the pig.
I will kill you! I will kill you! Bash 'em, lads! What? They won't know what hit them.
once more unto the breach.
Not enough goods.
Jane,
Weapons
shut!
needed, sire.
A message from the pig.
I will kill you! I will kill you!
Oh, he can replace it. That's good.
Stone need. Calculating. Yes, boss.
Weapons needed,
Ready,
sire.
sir. Move, move. Here we go. Yes, boss. Yeah. Move, you dogs. Fall in. That's a double. That's in. Shot. Jump to it. Sir. Shoulder. Palms. Quick. March. Ready, sir. Forward. We are the macemen. Move, move. Here we go. Move, you dogs. Move.
A message from the pig.
Pig not like this. Maybe pig in trouble. Here we go. Move, you dogs. Move, move. How do we get there? Here we go. Move, you dogs. What do you mean? They're dead. Move, move. Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Need some muscle. How do we get there? Here we go. What? Yes, boss. Move, you. We are the macemen. Need some muscle. How do we get there? Move, move. Bash them, they're chicken feet. Bash them, they're dead.
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me?
What's wrong?
Here we go.
What's wrong with me?
Move, you dogs. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Yes, boss.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Please not die! No! No!
Weapons
Yes,
needed,
boss.
sire. Weapons needed, sire.
Yeah. Move! Move! Trebuchet ready. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. You need something built. Constructing siege equipment. Decommissioning. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire. Work halted, my lord. This building has no labor, sire. Weapons
boss.
needed, sire. Weapons needed, sire.
Trebuchet ready, sir.
Feel the
We are the macemen.
A message from the pig.
It's not like this. Maybe pig in trouble. Here we go.
once more.
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening to me? Bash your ass.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Pig not die! No! No!
Can't place that there, my lord.
What do you need? Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
A message from the pig.
Blow the horn, bang the drum, the pig is coming to town. Move, you dogs.
A message from the pig.
I'm mad! I'll smash you to pieces into little bitty pieces.
The stockpile is full, my lord.
A message from the pig.
Not like this. Maybe pig in trouble. Move!
Once more onto the breach.
Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Crestfallen.
Yes,
Weapons
boss.
needed, sire.
Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Yeah. Here we go.
Trebuchet ready.
Exiting
Siege
Artillery ready.
equipment. Constructing siege equipment.
Your Grace. Fall in.
Constructing siege equipment. Trebuchet ready, sir.
Calculating. Where are the macemen? Move, you dogs. What do you need? Calculating.
Preparing.
A message from the pig.
I will kill you! I will kill you!
We are under attack.
Need some muscle? What?
Once more onto the
Trebuchet
breach.
ready, sir.
Set us
Siege
attack.
equipment. Location noted.
What?
A message from the pig.
What's wrong? What's happening
Castle, my lord.
A message from the pig.
to me? Pig not like this. Maybe pig in trouble.
A message from the pig.
No! No! Pig not die! No! No!
No space in the armory.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Weapons needed, sire.
Yes, boss.
Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire.
Yes,
Recruits
boss.
needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed, sire. Recruits needed.
Yes,
Recruits
boss.
needed, sire. Weapons needed, sire.
Yes, boss.
Feel the power.
Here we go. Where are the macemen? They won't know what hit them.
We are under attack.
Wood stops are too low, sire.
A message from the Lionheart.
My walls are strong. My men are in good heart. Bring on your slings and arrows.
A message from the Lionheart.
Events have come to a pretty pass when a king must cower in his castle. But cower I must.
They won't know what hit them. They're dead. A message from the Lionheart.
Fine, you can bring down a few buildings. How about a fair fight?
Bash them, lads! They won't know what hit them. They're a message from the Lionheart.
So, I am bested, and my poor
Well,
bones
well.
must rest in these wretched sands.
Victory.
Thanks for watching.